My name is Sandra Villamarin. I am studying agronomy here at the moment in the first semester and what to take adapt plants breedings. The techniques advancements are used for agriculture progress too. Acquired new genotypes such as Valentine's lines clones amongst efforts for mid-deaths issue calls my attention because you can see how crop productive evolves generically with genetic quality and quantity of a product. Over time, these studies have led to exclaim Herbentin's hoping in el of que everything events in an economy. App is very topic important for you program. It is importance because techniques to this impression the projecting of many crops has been improved planes breed study have found benefits in plants of medicinal improvements. How can you improve that topic in your career? This study is in me to understand the prevalence of me to alternate the prevention of plants and their evolution and history. I technique in help me to make breed diagnostic in craft. Work out of innovation that's the topic have it according improves it from evolution study to lens that lead to the biotic management of perf en el direct and their genotype imprints in crops improves el health. Thank you.